This video shows you how to change a cluster or the bulbs in a Mercedes Vito Tourer. So let's open the boot and let's get to it. What you'll find is you've got two screws there and there you need to undo. Okay, so you don't want to be doing undo this one or these ones. It's these ones here. In order to do that, you need one of these. Okay, and I'll put a link to this at the bottom. Okay, so turn it anti-clockwise, undo that. These two bolts are out. So lift it away like that, and then if you can, so I'll show you that. That there, you need to pull out this bottom bit. See that little nail there? Pull that off, and then you slide this unit vertically down. Okay, so don't try and pull it away. Try and slide it vertically down. And when you're putting it back in, you slide that back in like that, and then push back in. Then you've got your unit like this, and then you can unplug it. Now, if you need to replace the whole cluster because this is broken, then do. Otherwise, I'll show you how to change the light bulbs. So, in order to do this, you're pulling up this piece here. So you're pulling up from there and away, and it will clip away. And that's it. Okay, and it can only go on one way anyway. So, leave that lever down. Then you've got the assembly unit. So okay, so now that I've got the unit off, you'll see there's 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3, and basically this rubber bit here, that's what holds the whole unit. So what you'll need, unfortunately it's a smaller size, but you'll need a smaller size star connector here. So it's kind of like an Allen key. And I'll put a link to this. Put that in there, turn it anti-clockwise, and then take all these 3 screws out, and I'll just show you what that. So I'll do that and then come back to you. So all 3 screws have now been taken out, and what you'll find is this bit here will just pull away, and you'll have to, there you go. Actually, it was really easy. So remember what the top bit is, and the reason you'll remember the top bit is basically if I just put that in that orientation like that, you'll find that you've got the 2 bigger holes at the bottom there are for the bottom, and then these 2 that are further apart are at the top. Okay, and then these are your bulbs. These are your bulbs. These are your lamps, bulbs, whatever you want to call them. So I'll put a link to all of these, but in order to replace them, let's say that you wanted to replace. So if I hold this up, if I turn this round, so it depends what bulb's gone. So if it's the top one here, which is the top one, then it's sorry, so what am I saying? Right, if it's the top one there, which I think is the indicator at the top, then you've got the brake light, then you've got the reverse light, and then you've got the brake light. Best thing to do is when you're outside, just check which bulb isn't working, and then when you take it apart, okay. These look like they're all the same. Like I said, I'll put a link to them. The way to get them out is that you just twist them, half twist them, and then they pop out. Okay, so I'll just show you. So you just push it in, half twist, and then it comes out, and then that's bulb there. To put it back in, line up the little nodules with the hole there, push it down, and then just turn it a quarter of a turn, and then it's in. Okay, now when you put this back together, make sure this rubber strip is tucked into that bit there. Do it all up, put it back, and you'll be fine, and that's it. I'll put the links to these, but thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Putting it back is pretty much the same as taking it off, so make sure when you do, if I'm holding this up and I'm next to the van itself, then you need to slide that up into the hole first and then put it in. Okay, but it should be pretty easy once you got to this stage. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe.